Hello students, hope all of you are fine and healthy, and you must have read the chapter Penguin Frolic. In this video students, I'll give you a small recap what we did in our previous class, as the unit is animal facts and fantasy. So in this unit we will read about animals and their wonderland, and in this chapter Penguin Frolic we read that how penguins enjoy themselves like school boys and college boys, right? They enjoy themselves, and what they do, they play with each other, they try to play prank with each other, they are laborious, fun loving, and they do hard work to reach to the climb. They are very smart, they do not want to risk their life. So what they do, they just before entering for the hunting, usually penguins eat fishes and shrimps, and when they used to go for hunting, what they do, they throw one of their penguin friend into the water to check if there is seal or not. If seal will be there, it will eat that penguin, and if it is not there, then all of them will jump into the water, right? So we can see they are very clever, smart, fun loving, laborious. These are the characteristics, right? Now when we talk about bookwork student, it is very easy. If you'll go through the chapter, you can find it straight away. So I don't think so there is need of doing it. Still, I'll just give you a small idea of it so that you'll be able to do it, right? Now let's see. Penguins are birds, right? Penguins are birds that do not fly. They live in polar regions, means they usually live in ice and snow. In summer they have lot of fun playing games on broken sea ice, because we know Antarctica is too chilled that in winter we cannot even imagine any warmth. So even in summer there is less warmth there. So broken sea ice, right? The answer will be. And swimming in the open water. They love to swim. They stand together near and overhanging ledge of the sea. Once you read the chapter, you will find the exact lines in the chapter and you will be able to do it, right? They catch shrimps for their food or fishes. In order to make sure that water is safe for swimming, they stand nearest the edge to push, the same example which I gave you now, to push one of their friends. If it is not hunted down by seal or another marine beast of prey, other penguins dived in and start to swim, right? They play various games on ice floes. The narrator saw a group of penguins swimming upstream and board on ice floe. On reaching the end of the rookery, they jumped and board another ice floe. This was accompanied by a crowd of penguins to other penguins that watched them glide by. Penguins love to climb. The narrator watched them climbing and swimming again and again, right? So just go through the chapter, students. There are exact lines which are copied here. You just have to fill them, right? Now penguins are found in the Mediterranean Sea falls. They are found in Antarctic Ocean, Antarctic Circle, right? Antarctic continent. Penguins feed upon octopus or crab? No, they feed upon fishes and shrimps. The group of penguins assured themselves that it is safe to swim by pushing one into the sea. Yes, true. The penguins were climbing the iceberg again and again to have fun. True, right? Now let's see question answer. Find a simile. Simile is a figure of a speech, students, in which we make comparison or show similarity between two things. Definition of simile I have written here. A figure of speech that makes a comparison or shows similarity between two different things, like and as. So it is the answer. Penguins seem to love fun and adventure as much as human beings do. So penguins are compared to human beings. There is a similarity between penguin and human beings, that they do fun and adventure same, right? Do you think penguins enjoy their swim and play all the year around? Why not? No, they do not enjoy their swim and play whole year, because they usually enjoy it in summer. They have lot of fun playing games on broken sea ice and open water. Your answer is in this paragraph, right? In summer only they enjoy, when there is broken sea ice and open water, right? Now it says state 3 special characteristics of penguin mentioned in the story. The 3 special characteristics are: penguins are very intelligent, or we can say clever, because they never want to risk their life. They always push one of their friends into the sea to check it is safe or not, right? They are fun loving, they play game touch last, and they enjoy themselves, and they are laborious because they made efforts of quarter an hour to reach iceberg, right? Do you think penguin needs special care and protection for their survival? Why? Yes, they need special care and protection because nowadays we know global warming is persisting and it is causing problem to them. You know, they need lots of ice to survive, and because of global warming, ice is melting, right, in Antarctic, and it is making their life difficult, right? Describe a game that narrator watched the penguins play. The narrator watched the penguins play the game called touch last, right? In this, one penguin walk up to another, give him a smack. Smack means hit, right? Smack means hit or slap, you can say, with flipper, then dash in amongst the crowd, dodging about with the other in hot pursuit. Then he get mix up in the crowd, right, and move into that, but that penguin try to find him and try to hit him, right? So in this paragraph you will find this answer. You have to frame it, right, students? Now let's talk about last question. Show with example that penguins are clever as well as fun loving. Penguins are clever. You will get this answer in this paragraph. They are clever because whenever they want to go to the water, they always check it first, right? There is no sea leopard. And they are fun loving because they enjoy the games, right? They enjoy on the sea. They go from one place to one shore to another shore by ice flowaways on ice rafts, right? So I hope all the answers are clear to you, right? And if still there is any doubt in any answer, students, you can contact me. Same like previous chapter, you will write word meanings first, and once you will be done with the word meanings, you will do question answers in your fair notebook. If there is any answer, there is any problem in framing any answer, you can contact me and clear your doubt. So I hope the topic is clear to you. Thank you.